Are you seeing the message that says YouTube is not available in your region on your Android phone? Luckily, this problem is usually caused by simple settings or network issues and can be easily fixed. First, you need to go ahead and check your internet connection. Sometimes YouTube shows region errors because of an unstable network connection. So, what you can do is you can switch between your Wi Fi and mobile data, turn on the airplane mode on for 30 seconds, and then turn it off. You can also try restarting your phone. This will refresh your network connection. Now try disabling VPN or proxy apps. If you're using VPN, YouTube might think that you're in a country where it's restricted. So go ahead, turn it off, and clear the YouTube's app cache. Tap and hold onto the YouTube application. Tap on the eye icon in the top to go to App Info. From here, scroll down and tap on Storage. Click on Clear Cache. You can also try clearing the data, but this will remove all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. So you need to be very careful regarding that. Come back, try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. Also, remember to update the YouTube app. Open your Play Store or App Store, search for YouTube application, and if you see an update button over there instead of open, go ahead and tap on that in order to update it to its latest and newest version available. Open your Google Chrome web browser, search for myaccount.google.com and hit search. Go to payments and subscriptions, and here make sure that your country or region matches your actual location. And sometimes the old software can also cause app compatibility issues. So you can go to settings, search for software update, go ahead and download and install if new updates are available. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.